Can bitter leaf and garlic lower your BP? Let's take a closer look at the science. Both are packed with heart-healthy benefits. Yes, bitter leaf and garlic thin the blood, allowing it to flow freely and helping to lower your blood pressure. Start using organic methods to solve health issues and thank me later.
Welcome to life's journey. Life took me away for a season, earning my master's degree and meeting my grandchildren. Today, I want us to talk about marriage, one of the most important decisions anyone will ever make. Let me start with a simple analogy. Imagine you're a professional driver approaching a busy junction. Cars are speeding past from every direction. What do? You stop. You look. Why? Because if you rush into that road without checking, the result is very clear. An accident. So before you drive, you must stop, pause. Don't rush because of age, loneliness, or comparison. Marriage is not a small turn. It's a major junction in life. Once you move into it, reversing is difficult, and mistakes can be costly in every way, emotionally, mentally, financially, and even spiritually. So before you drive into marriage, you must stop, pause, and don't rush. This episode continues on the next video. Thank you for watching Life's Journey. If this message spoke to you, please like, share, and subscribe.
Are you ready to level up your digital marketing skills and stay ahead in the AI era? Join our Digital Marketing with AI class designed for beginners, professionals, and business owners. Learn how to create high-converting content, run profitable ads, grow your brand online, and use AI tools smarter. From social media marketing to copywriting, video editing, graphic design, and AI-powered strategies. We teach practical skills you can use immediately with real-world projects. Classes are physical or online. Limited slots available. Register now. Call or WhatsApp 090-6878-4503.
Go into the new year without learning these skills: graphic design, video editing, digital marketing, and AI. Yes! You can learn all these at AI Multimedia Academy at a low price. Sign up for our class now or WhatsApp 0906-878-4503. Hurry up! Limited slots available. Class starts on November 17, 2025 and runs for 4 weeks. Click below to register now.